Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest updates from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS, and their tougher 2024 Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus award criteria. These changes challenge automakers to enhance safety for backseat passengers and improve pedestrian crash avoidance systems. Let's see which vehicles made the cut and what it means for car buyers. Stick around to find out how these changes could affect your next vehicle purchase. The IIHS has raised the bar for their 2024 awards, introducing stricter requirements. Vehicles now need good ratings in small overlap front, updated side tests, and the revised moderate overlap front test. They also need acceptable or good ratings in pedestrian crash prevention and headlights across all trim levels. These stringent standards ensure that only the safest vehicles on the market receive the prestigious Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards. Despite these tougher standards, 71 models qualified for 2024 awards. Out of these, 22 earned the Top Safety Pick Plus and 49 earned the Top Safety Pick. Hyundai Motor Group leads with 16 awards, followed by Toyota Motor Corp with 13 and Mazda with 6, including 5 Top Safety Pick Plus awards. This year's winners truly stand out, offering the highest level of protection for both vehicle occupants and other vulnerable road users. Last year, the IIHS replaced the original side crash test with an updated version using a heavier barrier at a higher speed. This year, a good rating in this test is required for both award tiers. Additionally, the pedestrian crash prevention evaluation now includes tests in both daylight and darkness, making it more comprehensive. This means that vehicles must effectively detect and avoid pedestrians, regardless of the time of day, enhancing overall pedestrian safety. One of the major updates is the emphasis on rear seat safety. The new moderate overlap front test includes a second dummy seated behind the driver to evaluate back seat protection. This change addresses the fact that, in recent vehicles, rear seat occupants face a higher risk of fatal injury compared to those in the front. The inclusion of this second dummy and the new metrics, focusing on injuries most frequently seen in rear seat occupants, aim to encourage automakers to make substantial improvements in this area. Pedestrian safety has also seen significant advancements. In 2019, only 21% of vehicles earned the highest rating in pedestrian crash prevention. By 2023, 59% achieved superior ratings. The new combined evaluation for 2024 ensures that vehicles must effectively detect and avoid pedestrians both during the day and at night. This change recognizes that technology detects and brakes for pedestrians should be expected on all vehicles, as pedestrian fatalities are currently at their highest levels since the early 1980s. Small SUVs, midsize SUVs, and midsize luxury SUVs lead with the most Top Safety Pick Plus awards, each earning 5. However, it's disappointing to see that only 4 pickups and 4 midsize cars earned awards, given their popularity. These changes are designed to push automakers to pursue higher levels of safety, ensuring that vehicles across all classes offer the best possible protection for their occupants. IIHS introduced the original moderate overlap front test in 1995. At the time, most vehicles earned ratings of poor or marginal. For the past decade, virtually every vehicle tested has earned a good rating thanks to stronger vehicle structures, the introduction of front and side curtain airbags, and a series of improvements in seatbelt technology. This represents a big win for safety, as a driver of a model rated good in the original moderate overlap test is 46% less likely to die in a head-on crash with a similar vehicle compared to a driver of a model rated poor. The updated test is designed to encourage similar advancements in the back seat. Once, second-row occupants were substantially safer than those seated in the front because of the greater distance between them and the impact in a frontal crash. In today's vehicles, though, there is barely any deformation of the occupant compartment in the moderate overlap test. In addition, automakers have added airbags and advanced seatbelts in the front seats, but not often in the rear. The updated test aims to address that gap and push automakers to provide better protection for all occupants. The tougher standards for pedestrian front crash prevention systems are grounded in similar progress. In 2019, when IIHS launched the Daytime Vehicle to Pedestrian Evaluation, only 21% of the vehicles tested earned the highest rating of superior, while 44% of new models didn't even offer the technology. By 2023, 59% of vehicles earned superior ratings in the daytime test, and 40% also earned superior ratings in the nighttime evaluation. This progress highlights the importance of pedestrian safety and the effectiveness of advanced crash prevention systems. The tougher 2024 IIHS criteria are a significant step forward in vehicle safety, pushing manufacturers to enhance protection for all occupants and pedestrians. As car buyers, these awards help us choose vehicles that prioritize our safety and the safety of others on the road. It's encouraging to see automakers rise to the challenge and continue to innovate in safety technology. Thanks for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on vehicle safety and reviews.